Today we are doing connective tissue transformation, sinew metamorphosis, tendon changing classic. These are simply fascia stretches that stretch the fabric of the fascia that runs through everything in our body and connects to everything in our body. So breathe in, breathe out, and push out with the palm pushing out. Pull back on the fingers. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out with the palm. Breathe in, out with the palm. Turn the pinky toward the front. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Palms to the sky, turn the thumb towards you, both thumbs towards you. Breathe in, breathe out. Fingers come together, stretching the whole bodysuit, even the back, even the feet. We can change our posture in the positions of our hands, pressing out, rotating this way toward the pinky, toward the thumb, bird, beak. Let's do it up to the front. Starting this way, turning toward the pinky, turning toward the thumb, stretching the back, bird beak. Sigh of relief. Breathing in, breathing out. Up in front of the body again, palms to the sky. Rotate in, pinky. Rotate out, thumb, bird beak. Overhead, toward the pinky, toward the thumb, bird beak. Lean forward a little bit, stretch all the way down to the calves and the feet. Now the feet, we can rest the heel on the ground, toward the toe, toward the little toe, big toe, little toe, and then curl our toes. Big toe, little toe, curl our toes. We can do that to the side. And then we can lift our feet as little or as high as you can, or as you want, balancing little, big, curl. Big, little, curl. Out to the side. Big, little, curl. Big, little, curl. And we can continue that in different postures, stretching the whole body suit. But that's all we're going to do for today.